If you're looking for a garage condo in Longmont, this is going to be your spot. This is GarageTown Del Camino. It is located off of I-25 and Highway 119. If you'd like, you can even get a mailbox here. Let's go check out the clubhouse. All right, the clubhouse here. So you got a little TV, a little sectional. Of course, the fridge. And then the main attraction, the bathrooms. That's why people are coming in here. Let's go check out some of the units. All right, so we'll come around the corner here. As you can see, there's all sorts of different garage door widths. Usually they're all about the same height. They're all about 14 feet. This community is really cool. So it has 3-phase power, which a lot of individuals don't need. But if it's like a hobby need, you know, CNC machinist or something with bigger machines, even a couple car lifts. Sometimes it's just easier with 3-phase power. But again, not really necessary. You can see the drainage and the grading kind of goes towards the middle. And over here you have the RV dump, kind of right over there. And then we'll come around here. Some of these units, actually, I'm going to show you this. Some of these units have these really cool, they call it a man door, but it's actually like unit 517 over here. It's actually in the garage door. So kind of cool. They probably just couldn't fit it. We'll come over to this side. Everything is sub-metered, as you can see. So you only pay for the utilities that you use. And this community, GarageTown Del Camino, it actually has the lowest carrying cost. So between the taxes and the owners association dues, it's the lowest carrying cost. I would say probably from Loveland up north all the way down to Castle Rock. So that's kind of a special thing here. It is an unincorporated Weld County. So you get the Longmont address, but you don't have to pay Longmont City taxes. Right there you see you have the garbage area. So if you're looking for a garage condo in Longmont, this is a great spot. If you have any other questions, please reach out. Let's make it a great day.